and welcome back to Deutsche Welt channel. My name is Vidya and in our today's lesson we will be learning a new topic which is called jemanden, kennenlernen, which means to get to know someone better. So we will see a list of questions you can ask someone you've just met. You can ask them these questions in German so you can know more about them. I urge you to watch the video till the end, and if you find the video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and leave your feedback in the comment box below. Before we even begin, I just want to let you know that any conversation in German language has two different forms. One is formal way of conversing with someone and second is casual or informal way. So when you have a conversation with someone you are professionally related to or someone who is elder to you, you normally converse with them in a formal manner, and then you use casual manner to converse with people your age or someone you are familiar with. Okay, so that said, let's begin. Let us begin by asking someone their name. There are multiple ways you can frame this question, both formally and informally. The first one would be Wie heißen Sie? And the informal way of this question would be Wie heißt du? This question literally translated would mean what are you called as? So Wie heißen Sie? Or Wie heißt du? And the next way of asking is Wie ist Ihr Name? Or Wie ist dein Name, which is informal way. And the last way of framing this question would be Wer sind Sie? Or Wer bist du? Which means who are you in German. Now how do you ask someone where they are from? You can say formally Woher kommen Sie? And informally you can say Woher kommst du? Woher kommen Sie? Or Woher kommst du? Let's see how to ask someone where they live. Formally you can ask Wo wohnen Sie? And informally you can ask Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnen Sie? Or Wo wohnst du? Now how do you ask someone their age? So formally you can say Wie alt sind Sie? And informally you can say Wie alt bist du? So Wie alt sind Sie? Or Wie alt bist du? Now let us see how to ask someone about their profession, to ask them what they do professionally. Formally you can say Was sind Sie von Beruf? And informally you can say Was bist du von Beruf? So Was sind Sie von Beruf? Or Was bist du von Beruf? And also there is a different way of framing the same question. If you can find out what it is, you can leave that answer in the comment box below. If you want to ask someone how many languages they can speak, you would say formally Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? And informally you would say Welche Sprachen sprichst du? So, welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Or welche Sprachen sprichst du? If you want to ask someone about their hobbies, you would say formally, if you want to mention one single hobby, you would say Was ist Ihr Hobby? And for multiple hobbies, you would say Was sind Ihre Hobbies? This was formal way of asking. And informally, for one single hobby, you say Was ist dein Hobby? Or for multiple hobbies, you ask, was sind deine Hobbys? Also, was ist dein Hobby? Or was sind deine Hobbys? So, if you want to get someone's contact number, whether it is telephone number or mobile number, you can ask formally, wie ist Ihre Telefonnummer? And for mobile number, you say, wie ist Ihre Handynummer? And informally, framing the same question, you say, wie ist deine Telefonnummer? And for mobile number, you say, wie ist deine Handynummer? Wie ist deine Handynummer? Let's see how to ask someone for their email address. Formally, you would say, wie ist Ihre E-Mail-Adresse? And informally, you can ask, wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? Also, wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? Let me know your email address in the comment box below. Now, let us do a quick revision of all that we have learned so far, beginning with the name. Wie heißen Sie? Or wie heißt du? Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist dein Name? Wer sind Sie? Wer bist du? Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommst du? Wo wohnen Sie? Wo wohnst du? Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt bist du? Was sind Sie von Beruf? Was bist du von Beruf? Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Was ist Ihr Hobby? Was ist dein Hobby? Was sind Ihre Hobbys? Was sind deine Hobbys? Wie ist Ihre Telefonnummer? Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Wie ist deine Handynummer? Wie ist Ihre E-Mail-Adresse? Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? Okay guys, so we are done with today's lesson, jemanden kennenlernen. Now it's your turn to go through the video all over again, practice it and take up the test to see how well you have learned the topic. And then do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you found the video useful, hit the like button and share the video with as many people as you can, so we can help a lot more people to learn this wonderful language of German. And I will see you in the next class with a new topic. Until then, keep learning, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.